problem. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 36 meter. If the length is 4 more than its width, find the dimensions of the garden. So we don't know the dimensions of the garden. So what is the shape of that garden is rectangular. So that means we are having two things, length and breadth. So we don't know that length and breadth. So let us start in solution. Let the breadth be x and length be y. So here length and breadth both we have taken. So what is given? So given that the perimeter, half of the perimeter. So perimeter of a rectangular formula is half into 2 into L plus B. Given half the perimeter of the garden is 36 meter. So we can write half of perimeter. So what is the perimeter? 2 into L plus B is equals to 36. So we can cancel this to 2. So length plus breadth is equals to 36. So what is the length? Length is y and breadth is x is equals to 36. So we can write x plus y is equals to 36. And the one more given condition is length is 4 more than its width. So 4 more than means plus 4, its width is x. So we can send this x to that side, or we will bring this to that side. So it will become x minus y is equals to, when 4 goes to that side, it will become minus 4. Let us draw the box and find out the values. So let us fill up these boxes, x, y, x comma y. So in place of x, we can take 10. So we get 10 goes to that side, y is equals to 36 minus 10. So y is equals to 26. So we have taken 10 and we have got the value 26. So 10 comma 26. Next, in place of x, we will take 20. So 20 plus y is equals to 36. 20 goes to that side. So y is equals to 36 minus 20. So that is 16. So y is equals to 16. So we have taken x20 and we have got 16. So 20 comma 16. Next, we will fill up this box, next one. So the equation is x minus y is equals to minus 4. So we can take, in place of x, we can take like more than 10, like 16. So if we are taking 16 in place of x, 16 minus y is equals to minus 4. 16 goes to that side. So minus y is equals to minus 4 minus 16. Minus y is equals to minus 20. Minus minus cancel, y is equals to 20. So 16 comma 20. Let us see some other number, like if we are substituting 20, so we get 20 minus y is equals to minus 4. So 20 goes to that side. Minus y is equals to minus 4 minus 20. So minus y is equals to minus 24. Minus minus cancel, y is equals to 24. So 24, 20 comma 24. So we have got the values for both the boxes. X plus y is equals to 36 and x minus y is equals to minus 4. And we have done the starting part also. Let us draw the graph. Here you can see the values are extremely big, like 10, 26, 20, 16, like that. So if the values are this much big, then we have to draw the graph from here, like at the extreme ends. Okay. Since the values are extremely big, so I have drawn the graph at the ends, and I have taken the scale as 2 units on 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equals to 2 units. On x-axis also and on y, both will be same. 1 centimeter is equals to 2 units. Let us plot the points. For first equation, the values are 10, 26. So the values are 10, 26. So 26 is here. 10. Next is 20, 16. 20, 16. Let us join these 2 points. Next is 16, 20. So 16, 20, 16 and 20. Next 20, 24. So 20, 24. So it is here. Let us join this. So the equation of this line is x minus y is equals to -4 and x plus y is equals to 36. So they are meeting at 16, 20. So 16, 20. So here the two lines intersects at the point 16, 20. Therefore, the two lines intersect at the point 16, 20. And so what is this 16? 16 is nothing but x. So what is x? X here is we have taken breadth. So therefore that is breadth is equals to 16 centimeter and length. So what is length? Length is y. So length is 20 centimeter. So finally we are going to write the scale. So scale on x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit.